This video features HDMI smartphone mirroring for the Nissan Maxima years 2016 to 2020 as shown on the Nissan Murano. The Nissan Maxima and the Nissan Murano have identical screens and identical installation processes.
Let's demo HDMI mirroring. So mirroring gives you whatever you see on your phone screen, carbon copy on your car screen. In order to hear audio, you got to set the radio to auxiliary, so make sure the audio is set to aux. That's all you need to do. Change the volume settings to high. On the remote, press the power button. If you don't have the remote and using the push button, press and hold the push button. Once you press the power button, you select HDMI. So with your arrows on the remote, go into HDMI and the video will appear. Keep in mind, only with the new iPhones that have a notch on it, the image will look like this. This is how the phones mirror it. You're gonna have a little bit of black space because this is how the phones work. It's very weird, but only iPhones do that. So if you go zoom in, zoom out, that's because of the iPhone. You can connect any HDMI source. You're gonna hear the audio through the speakers. So anything that has HDMI input, Fire Stick or any other device, Google Chrome, anything that you want. iPhone, you can do wired or wireless, Apple TV, Android devices, whatever you like, whatever has HDMI, you can connect to it. Mostly popular devices with support. And you have the video, you can use YouTube, Netflix. There is actually no limit to what you can do. It's gonna come with a push button, so you can use the push button to select the inputs by pressing it. With a single press, it's gonna cycle through available inputs. So now that you see how the camera works automatically, let's say you want to drive and watch the camera. So all you do, you press the power button on the remote, the interface will activate, and you have cameras here. So depends on where you go, you can watch the camera while driving, except for the rear camera. Have factory rear view camera, you cannot watch it while driving. But if you install front camera while driving. If you want to watch right camera while driving. If you want to watch rear camera while driving. So as long as you're driving, you're gonna have the rear camera. So this is the cameras.
Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.